Do you want to talk about the rumor you heard about Fast and Furious Supercharged space?
So, okay, I will mention it, and I'm just going to give a caveat right now. I don't think this will be the final version.
Okay.
Because, again, with Universal, it's like the only thing I will say for certain, there's two things that I've said for certain in recent rumors that were going to be coming, and one of them was Fast and Furious coaster replacing Rip Ride Rocket. I had heard that months before. That one was like pretty concrete. That's obviously what happened there. And the other one is Pokemon coming to Lost Continent. That one has been pretty consistent. I think that is exactly what is coming into Lost Continent. Some of the other stuff, especially around Epic, I've heard about 3 or 4 different things the past few months. So I'm not even going to comment on what, because I think it seems with Universal, they just run through ideas like crazy.
Yeah, they do.
And they just cannot, even the people inside Universal will be like, typically, yeah, they just run through ideas and all of a sudden on the whim, something will change. But the latest thing, when you're talking about Supercharged, because they did announce whenever the Fast and Furious coaster was the coaster coming in, that also Supercharged would be going away in 2027.
Right.
So there's been a lot of speculation about what's going to replace it. There was a period of time where they were, and I guess this could still happen, talking about a Back to the Future, like not a ride, but kind of like a meet and greet sort of thing.
Okay.
And then now that's changed. And then for a period of time, they had no clue what they were going to do. And the latest I have heard, and again, it is completely a rumor, and I don't know where I put the chance of them doing this, but basically taking the life of pets.
The secret life of
pets and putting that they have out in Hollywood and putting that ride into where Supercharged is. Who knows? I don't know. I don't know what I know why
at the very least they're considering it.
They are considering it. Yeah. So I guess the question would come into, and I don't know much about the secret life of pets of where that movie takes place, but are they going to keep, the Supercharged area San Francisco? Or is that going to become something else? Because it's so small anyways.
Right.
And it kind of limits you on the capabilities you can do there. And I don't think that the ride building there, I think, limits them on stuff that they can actually do. If I were to guess. I don't think they can't do some massive, huge ride right in that space.
Right. Secret Life of Pets takes place in New York City. So it could just become, because it's right there, become an extension of New York.
Yeah.
That's right there.
Yeah.
And
again, this is a ride that they have out in Hollywood. They can port it over. They know how to build it, sort of thing. And I think it's pretty popular out in Universal Studios Hollywood.
I actually have no idea.
Because it's like a dark ride, essentially. Which I'm not against dark rides. I still think there's a pretty decent chance that this area gets eaten up into Diagon Alley. That's been a rumor out there for years that would happen in this area. So like I said, that is complete rumor. I wouldn't put a lot of stock into it, but that is something that they are currently kind of looking at there.
So not to go into this a lot, but I'm going to say that I don't like that idea. I don't like them doing more Diagon Alley. And here's why.
Oh, I didn't know which idea you're talking about. Okay.
Yes, I don't like that becoming like a bigger Diagon Alley. Okay?
Right.
Harry Potter is very popular for Universal. That's not a secret. There's a lot of people that enjoy going to the parks because of Harry Potter, and that's exclusively what they like. Mm-hmm. However, there's a lot of people that maybe enjoy Harry Potter, but it's not a huge deal to them. They're just casual fans.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that because now we have the Wizarding World of Harry Potter in 3 different parks, we don't need to really expand on it any further.
Well, especially considering that you are going to get another Harry Potter ride in the Ministry of Magic.
Exactly. So we're expanding that at Epic Universe. They have the room and everything. I think that we should, I think Universal should focus on other IPs or other ideas that are not Harry Potter in that spot. If it was up to me, I'd be like, okay, I think we got enough, Harry Potter stuff. I think we can just concentrate on something else.
I don't disagree. I guess it would come down to, and again, who knows? This could become something totally different to replace Supercharged. But I guess if you're looking at Secret Life of Pets or Harry Potter, which one do they think would get more appeal, I guess? But
yeah.
I don't disagree with you. I suppose to play devil's advocate, you only have one ride in Diagon Alley. And so, and that area is not very big, but neither is Diagon Alley in the movies or the shows.
Correct.
So...
Just think of how busy that area would be if they had a second ride. It would be even busier.
I mean, that's also what they want, though. But yeah,
I don't know if they do. I don't know if they want that because it's already so crowded in there on even like days when the park's not crowded.
Yeah, true.
So like, I mean, if you're talking about crowd control stuff, it's like you got to think about that too. I don't know.
Yeah. One thing I will say until I'm at Harry Potter, Universal did have they spoke with WESH in Orlando, and they had an interesting comment, which they've alluded. I mean, it's an open secret at this point that the Ministry of Magic is getting an expansion, but they literally had a quote. They were asking about future stuff coming, and they were basically saying, "Oh, there's more magic to be had," and blah blah blah. They did say that there's always more magic coming out of Epic Universe, especially in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, but I think that's all I can say for now, was a spokesperson for Universal said. So they're essentially even telling you right then and there.
The next thing.
Right. And so
Yep.
I've heard for pretty consistently for months now that they're looking at a broomstick style ride for that new ride in there, which I think potentially could be really good. And I don't know if it's a roller coaster or what type of ride system, but I think that could be something there. So obviously more stuff's coming to Epic on that front. But yeah, I mean, I don't disagree with you. I guess the issue you just have with where Supercharged is like what, given how the park is currently set up, and that's the San Francisco area, it's like, what can you really do here? Unless they just get rid of the San Francisco, which I would actually kind of be okay with, because I think using, like, they have the New York area, they got the San Francisco area, it definitely limits you on the things that you can do.
Yeah. Well, you're right. I mean, they've got in San Francisco Candy Company. That's San Francisco. Richter's is based off of Earthquake.
Right.
Which has been gone for a long time. So, yeah, I mean, we can use a refresh of this land for
Because you could just rename Richter's as something else.
For sure.
Like, it's not a lot of real estate you'd have to redo here, but I think that is your limiting factor of like, okay, if it's not these things, then like Back to the Future could make some sense there because that's California.
Yeah.
So you could say, okay, like it's the same thing with like Supercharged. Like they're not a San Francisco property, but obviously they put it in there.
I guess the Lombards is over there. The seafood place.
Yeah.
That's over there too.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, you're right. Like it could use a good like refresh of maybe something different.
Well, just to give you some more options.
Yeah.
You know, of like what you could do. That's just my thinking there. So who knows? I mean, again, they said this will shut down in 2027, so it's not like they have to make up their minds really right away on this stuff. So I suppose they still have time, but I imagine they're going to go through more ideas here. Because again, Zelda's one of those properties there's been 3 different places that's been going to go in, and that's on hold again. So it's like, not that it won't ever happen, but it seems like sometimes some stuff they're very sure about, like, this is what's going in here, this is what we're doing, and some stuff they're like, they go to a board meeting and they're just like, actually, yeah, let's do that. And then all of a sudden it switches. So who knows what they do.
Yeah.
But something's going to come in there, which I think is going to make a lot of people happy.